This will be your husband's favorite lunch. Full and economical lunch. I'm sure you'll love this easy and inexpensive recipe. I'll start by cutting 2 large potatoes into thin slices, just as I'm doing. Already cut the potatoes. I will add salt to taste, and with my hands I will move them so that the salt is incorporated into all the potatoes. Done this, in a pan with very hot oil, I will place the potatoes to fry for 3 minutes or until they are well browned. Once they are golden on both sides, I will put it on absorbent paper to remove the excess oil. In a frying pan I will add a little oil. Then I will add 3 crushed garlic cloves. Also a finely cut medium onion. Half a teaspoon of salt. And I will fry these ingredients for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will add half a red pepper cut into small cubes. Half a yellow pepper cut into small cubes. Half green pepper cut into small cubes. And I cook these vegetables for 3 minutes. Already cook the vegetables. I will add 350 grams of ground beef. And I will mix very well until it changes color. Guys, the lunch we are making, it is very easy to make and it is delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. Now I'll add a teaspoon of salt to it. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of oregano. And I will mix very well to incorporate these seasonings into the meat. Already incorporated these condiments, I will add a tablespoon of tomato paste. 100 milliliters of water. And I will mix very well until the tomato paste is dissolved. When it is like this, I will cover and let cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Time has passed. I will add a little finely chopped parsley, but if you don't want to, you can skip it. And now our ground beef is ready. Next, in another pan I will add a layer of the fries that I had reserved, to cover the bottom very well. Then I'll add 30% of the ground beef I just made, and I will sprinkle it over the pan. Then I will add grated mozzarella cheese, spreading it very well in the pan. Now I will place another layer of chips, then a layer of ground beef, and then a layer of grated mozzarella cheese, just like I'm doing. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Eva Mangalo from Philippines, also for Zahabia Hussein from Indonesia, and Edith Enriquez from Spain. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. At last, I will carry out the same process with the rest of the ingredients. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I love the lasagna, to send you a very special greeting. To finish, I will add some dehydrated parsley to it, although you can replace it with oregano. I will cover and let cook over low heat until the cheese melts very well. And now our lasagna with fries is ready. See how delicious it has been. Although I would like you to qualify this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for seeing this recipe to the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time that you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.